Guys, Mubarak here again of Invest HQ and IPS. Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're going to continue crypto exchange reviews, and I want to talk to you about Bittrex because at the current moment, this is also a very popular exchange. You're definitely going to hear about it. A lot of people trade on it, and there's a lot of different currencies that you can trade with it. So, as I mentioned before, one of the biggest differences with the exchanges is which currencies they allow you to buy and sell. Not all of them take all of the cryptos that are out there. And the reason for that is because it's similar to a stock exchange where they have different requirements, and the New York Stock Exchange is different from the pink sheets, which is like penny stocks, which is different from the NASDAQ. So those are different kind of reasons why exchanges have different currencies on them. So here you can see that they have, at the current moment of the time of this recording, they have 190 currencies. I'm sure that's going to increase over time, but this is the reason we use kind of a few different platforms is because different platforms have different types of currencies on them. So you got to create a couple of accounts. So you'll have your money in different accounts pretty much. So again, Bittrex, let's check it out. Let's go through it. USA based, collaborate with experts in the USA, kind of active markets. So let's see how you make an account. Interesting. So right now, what you can also see is that a lot of the accounts, because Bitcoin and cryptos are so popular right now, some of them have shut down their registration. But in essence, this is very similar to a lot of the other exchanges. In the future video, I do want to show you guys kind of the back end. That'll show you guys kind of how it looks like, but it's similar to the other ones that we just saw, Coinbase, GDAX. Those are good ones that you can definitely check out and get started with because they all kind of have the same exchange feel. I just wanted to cover Bittrex because I wanted to show you guys that this is a good one for you guys to be able to utilize. If you have an account with it, great. It has a bunch of different markets on it, and it's also like one of the other exchanges where you can buy and sell not just using US dollars, but you can trade your Ethereum or your Bitcoin really into these other altcoins. That's some of the interesting kind of logic or interesting concepts behind trading. So I definitely recommend checking out also our trading strategies because I want you guys to understand the best times of when to buy and sell different altcoins depending on the price of Bitcoin, right? So for example, when the price of Bitcoin is very high, right, it's very strong, that's a good time for you to use your Bitcoin and purchase altcoins because you'll get more bang for your buck. You have a stronger currency and you're buying a different currency, so you'll get a better exchange rate. Now, in the same way, when Bitcoin is weak, right, and you want to liquidate your position, say you have money in Dash or something or some altcoin, and you want to sell it now and liquidate it and get your profit, I recommend doing that generally and relatively speaking to the rest of the market timing because Bitcoin is so volatile. If you wait for a time when Bitcoin is relatively weaker and you're confident that the currency that you're exchanging is going to stay relatively stable, then if you sell it when Bitcoin is weaker, you'll get more currency, you'll get more bang for your buck again. So that's just a mental trick. We're going to go a lot into the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, the currency analysis of how you can profit. But I just wanted to make another video of a good exchange, Bittrex, that I recommend you guys checking out and just making sure you have an account on it. Even if you don't put money in it actively, if you start becoming interested and you really want to make 6 figures or more with crypto trading, then you need to make sure that you have access to the right exchanges so you can make the right trades when you need to. It really just opens up your ability to be successful and to do pretty much what they would say, lightning fast trade execution, because the trade is actually when the money is made. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.